Hey guys, how you doing? Well, today I'm going to talk a little bit of ICT tools for education, specifically in English teaching language. So let's do it. Let's start answering what are ICT tools for. All right. So at first, in the context of English education, ICT tools refers to the information, communication, and technology used in our different English learning spaces. In other words, and to be clearer, all of these technological devices, such as networks, softwares, computer services, and other digital tools that are implemented in our lessons with educational purposes, are known as ICT tools. Right here, there are some ICT tools that are commonly implemented and well known for teachers with learning purposes. And it's important to mention that although these are so common nowadays, there are some others that are updated to the changes and the huge impact that the pandemic made in our technology devices and our way to learn English. For instance, Trello is a collaborative tool that is used widely in cooperative business, but also used for educators as you and me. For example, in this platform, we can create different boards for assignments, test papers, and also boards for discussion. It means that your students can put some comments, can answer with videos, with other kind of resources such as Padlet, but the interesting thing about it is that you can easily look their projects. It means that you can assign also homework and set deadlines and track the progress that they are doing all online. So I guess it is pretty complete and pretty interesting to implement it. And although it is not that common in our educational field, definitely is an interesting tool to be implemented in our lessons. Why not? Well, for concluding this short presentation, I will mention some advantages of implementing this kind of tools in our English lessons. So, the first one, and I guess the most important one, is that the world is constantly changing. And of course, we're on a technological world that never stops changing. And as teachers or educators, it's essential to be updated to these changes and to provide the necessary tools that students are involved in nowadays. So in this order of ideas, it not only is an interesting way to teach the language, but it is also necessary in order to ensure accessibility, multimedia support, real world applications, so they can have like a close real interaction to the language, and some other benefits that definitely through technological tools we can get it easily. And now for living, I will say this phrase that was made for George Course. It says technology will never replace great teachers, but its hands of great teachers is transformational. Thanks for your attention.